Salve! You may have already seen some of the Roman objects archaeologists have found in Leicester. We can learn a lot about the people who lived in Ratai Coriel Taborum from these objects, because many have name inscriptions. One of these objects is the stamp of Caius Gracilis. It was found in the forum of the town, the market square. Archaeologists think that Caius may have been a producer of creams and perfumes, and he would have used the stamp to mark his products. Today, I want to show you how you can make a stamp out of carrots or turnips. Root vegetables were a staple in the Roman kitchen. First of all, you need to think about your design. I'm using a Roman wax tablet here for my design. We have an activity sheet about how you can make your own wax tablet. One idea for your stamp could be to inscribe it with your initials. I want to go for a simple A. This is going to be my design. Now you need your carrot or turnip. Be careful when you work in the kitchen and use knives. Ask your parents to do the cutting for you. You will need a nice, even and smooth surface for your stamp. You can use a range of cookie cutters. Press the cookie cutter into your carrot. This can be quite difficult. And carefully cut around your cookie cutter. Be careful to not slip with your knife. We now have our flower stamp. If you want to engrave your initials or any other motif, you can use a pin. Again, be very careful and always work away from yourself. Best ask your parents to do it for you. Here we have our A. It may not be the nicest of all. You can use any kind of water-based paint, but I have made my own paint out of garden herbs and flour, and we have another activity sheet that gives you the instructions. Make sure that there's not too much paint on your stamp. You can use your stamp on any kind of paper. We have decided to use it on an old kitchen towel. That letter may not have worked particularly well. If you have a range of cookie cutters, you can make lots of different motifs, like a star. Or a sweet heart. And here you go. This is how you can make simple stamps out of carrots or turnips.